Welcome. Stop for a second and imagine this. You have a brilliant idea. It's 3 in the morning and you just know this software could change everything. It could fix a huge problem. It could make you a lot of money. But then reality hits. You look at your bank account. You can't afford a team of expensive developers. You don't know how to write code. And you think to yourself, well, I guess I'll just have to wait or give up. Stop right there. That old way of thinking is dead. Welcome to this course. My name is Emma, and I am going to take you on a journey from a simple napkin sketch to a fully functioning money-making software product. And here is the twist. You are not going to write a single line of complex code yourself. This is the vibe coding revolution. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to explain exactly how we're going to do this, why it saves you a fortune, and why you, yes, you, are already qualified to build the next big thing. Let's start with the bad news. Let's rewind 5 years. If you wanted an app, you were stuck in what we call the iron triangle: speed, cost, and quality. You could only pick two. If you wanted it fast and high quality, it cost $1 million. If you wanted it cheap, you waited 2 years. To build a simple MVP, a minimum viable product, a non-technical founder had to write a 50-page document, hire an agency for $30,000 to $150,000, wait 6 to 12 months, and then cross their fingers. And here is the killer. Most of the time, after all that money and time, the market didn't even want the app. It was slow, it was expensive, and it broke startups. But here's the good news. That world is over. We are living through the biggest shift in software since the invention of the mouse and the screen. AI is no longer just a chatbot that tells you bad jokes. It is now a reasoning engine. It can write high-quality software faster than a junior developer. But, and this is crucial, the AI doesn't know what to build. That's where you come in. Think of it like building a house. In the old days, you had to be a bricklayer, a plumber, and an electrician all at once. You had to get your hands dirty with the mud and the wiring. That was the coding. Today, you are the architect. You draw the blueprint. You tell the construction robots, the AI, where to put the walls. You tell them how the plumbing connects to the city water. You oversee the big picture. You are still building the house. You just aren't swinging the hammer. Now, I want to introduce you to a term that will change your life: vibe coding. It sounds fancy, but it's simple. Vibe coding means using plain, natural language, like the way you're talking to your friends, to tell the AI what to build. You say, "Hey AI, build me a login page with a blue button," and the AI just does it. You vibe with the machine. Here is the magic part: the cost savings. When a human developer writes code, you pay for their time, which is expensive. But when an AI writes code, it costs pennies. A task that takes a junior developer 3 days, the AI does it in 3 minutes. Need a database? The AI builds it. Need to connect to a payment system like Stripe? The AI writes the code. By the end of this manual, you will build a fully commercial SaaS product, a real software as a service, for less than $100. And you'll do it in days, not years. Now, who is this actually for? Let me be really clear. This is for the aspiring founder who has a startup idea but zero cash to hire developers. This is for the product manager who is tired of arguing with engineers about timelines and wants to understand the tech well enough to lead better. This is for the no-code graduate. You know, the person who built simple apps with tools like Bubble but hit a wall when things got complicated. This course takes you into the big leagues. And honestly, this is for anyone who wants to be a business operator, someone who wants to build internal tools to save their company money without begging the IT department. Let's get one thing straight. You do not need to know a single line of HTML, CSS, or JavaScript to start this course. I mean it. 0. We teach you the logic of the app, the flow of data, and the AI writes the syntax. Now, we need to talk about the biggest mindset shift of this entire course. Stop obsessing over the language. I don't care if it's Python or JavaScript. That's just details. I want you to obsess over the structure. How do the pieces talk to each other? Here is the difference between a traditional developer and an AI product builder. The traditional developer stares at the code and asks, How do I loop through this list? The AI product builder, that's you, looks at the business and asks, what does the user type in? Where does the data go? Who gets the output? When you understand the flow, you can just tell the AI, take this user's email, check if they paid, save their name to the database, and send them a welcome email. You don't need to know how to code the email, you just need to know that an email has to be sent. That's architecture over syntax. So, what does the next 8 weeks look like? Let's take a quick road trip through the course. Class 1, we ignite your product thinking. You learn to spot the job to be done for your customer. Class 2, we validate your idea. Before we code, we draw diagrams so we know exactly what to ask the AI. Class 3, this is the big one. We turn on the AI and start vibe coding. Your app comes to life right before your eyes. Class 4, we build the engine, the databases, the APIs, and the logins. We lock it down so only your customers can get in. Class 5, we put it on the internet. We deploy it to the cloud. The world can now see your product. Class 6, this is our secret weapon, cloud cost optimization. Many startups die because their hosting bill explodes. We will teach you how to host 1,000 users for just a few bucks a month. Class 7, we connect the money. We set up the subscriptions. We make sure the cash flows from your customer's card into your bank account automatically. Class 8, we launch. We get your first 10 paying users and prepare to scale. Now, a quick reality check. There are some things we are not going to teach you, and I want you to be okay with that. We are not going to waste time on hardcore math puzzles or computer science theory. We won't be doing LeetCode code challenges. We are aiming for a B- grade product. Why? Because in the early days, you don't need a flawless A+ product. You need a solid B- product that fixes a painful problem for 1,000 passionate users. Once you have those users and their money, you can hire the A+ developers to rebuild it. Don't let perfect be the enemy of profitable. Before we wrap this introduction up, I want to give you 3 golden rules to follow as you go through this manual. Rule number 1, build a real idea. Don't just follow the examples. Pick a problem you genuinely care about. Apply every lesson to your specific dream. Rule number 2, embrace the rubber duck. You will get errors. Everyone does. When you get a red error message, don't panic. Talk to the AI about it. Explain the problem out loud. Just describing it usually reveals the answer. Rule number 3, iterate. Your first prompt to the AI will give you a mediocre result. That's fine. Your second prompt makes it better. Your third prompt makes it perfect. Prompting is a conversation, not a magic spell. Let me leave you with a formula. Write this down. Clear vision plus smart architecture plus AI code generation equals commercial product. The old world charged you $100,000 for the tools. The new world gives you the tools for free. The value isn't in the code anymore. The value is in your vision. The value is in your ability to architect the flow. You already have the vision. That's why you signed up. So take a deep breath. Turn the page to Class 1. Welcome to the future of product building. Let's get to work.